In this project, we will simulate hyperthermia therapy of a biological tissue which is involved with a cancer tumor.
Obtain the mesh file and the full training movie via this link.
The geometry of the present model is designed in ANSYS Design Modeler software. The present model comprises of a cylindrical tube as the capillary, four spherical blood vessels attached to the capillary as tumors, and a spherical space for intra-arterial blood flow around the vein, which has a slower flow rate than flow inside the capillaries. The spherical tissues around the capillary have a different radius. The outer sphere is also considered as the space for blood flow within the tissue and around the capillary, which contains two input and output hemispheres. The meshing of the present model is performed by ANSYS meshing software, and the present grid type is unstructured, and the total element number is equal to 770,087. Now, as for the solid zones, starting from part 3 to part 7, these parts refers to the different cancer cells we have designed in our geometry. The settings for all these zones are like each other, and by clicking on, for example, part 3, a new window will appear which lets us to change the settings for these zones. Finally, a summary of different settings and setup that we have used in our project is presented to you in the slide.
Obtain the mesh file and the full training movie via this link. To benefit from Master CFD services including simulation, consultation and training, contact our experts via info@mastercfd.com.